this short video, you're going to discover a new revolutionary software technology that will help you get free buyers traffic and generate sales faster than ever before. You see, traffic is the lifeblood of your online business. But if you're spending time and money creating paid ads or on SEO, you're fighting a losing battle. Now, what if I told you there's a much easier way, a much faster, proven way to actually flood your website with endless free buyers traffic without advertising, without creating content, and without relying on Google? It's the same secret strategy brands like LabBible, Unilab, NTD Television, Daily Mail, and others use to rake in thousands of visitors every single hour for free. The same strategy that we use to take brand new websites from zero to over thousands of visitors a day and make hundreds of dollars. So what's the secret, you ask? It's sharing other people's viral content to build a huge audience who wants to buy your stuff again and again and again. Brands like LabBible have been doing this for years now. They get millions of views on their pages every day and make over $1 million every single year sharing other people's viral content on social media. Why spend days creating content for social media hoping it might go viral or get you some traffic? Just cut the hard work and start sharing what's already proven to go viral instead. It's the perfect buyers traffic getting system. No guessing what might go viral. No slaving over content. No endless advertising. No SEO. Instead, just piggyback on viral content that people are already liking, sharing, reblogging, tweeting, and commenting on. And start sharing hundreds of them on your Facebook pages, on your Twitter profiles, and on your Tumblr blogs to get a crazy amount of buyers traffic for free. But isn't that time-taking and a little tedious to do on your own? Well, not anymore. Introducing Viral Traffic Builder. Viral Traffic Builder is your one-stop solution for buyers traffic generation on autopilot. It automatically finds and shares other people's viral content on your Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr channels, bringing you massive exposure, insane engagement, and huge buyers audiences who are ready to buy your products and services. It finds you viral and trending content from 30 different viral content sources in any niche and lets you schedule years worth of content on your Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr pages within minutes. There's more. Let me show you how this works. Once you log into our cloud dashboard, you'll notice there are 3 ways to build and publish viral content to generate traffic. The first is build a post. Using this, you can build a post or a piece of content from scratch. You can add your own images, text, description, your own links, and post now or schedule to post later on any or all 3 social networks. The second is create a post. This is where it gets exciting. Simply select the source and enter a keyword you wish to find the viral traffic getting content for. Then pick the piece of content you find most relevant. You can now edit it, add your own call to actions, and link and schedule to publish on Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr automatically. You can schedule hundreds of carefully selected content this way. And finally, the crown jewel, automation. Simply enter a keyword, customize a few settings, and select how often you wish to post, and Viral Traffic Builder will automatically find relevant viral traffic getting content in your niche. Add your call to actions and publish them on Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr automatically. Using this, you can easily set up years worth of automated content. See how easy that was? It's really that simple to get real traffic using Viral Traffic Builder. Forget about spending tons of money on ads. Forget spending months trying to SEO and rank for organic traffic. And forget spending money on junk software that posts spam content. Viral Traffic Builder is perfect for marketers who don't have time to create content each day. It's perfect for content curators who want to post awesome content like clockwork. It's perfect for serious bloggers who need to save time and post naturally. Using Viral Traffic Builder, you will not only be easily able to find, curate, and publish traffic-getting viral content, but also build a huge audience, generate leads, fans, and subscribers. And the best part? You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to find viral content. You see, other marketers are paying hundreds for tools that just help them find viral content. And these tools don't even help you share the content to your own social channels. But with Viral Traffic Builder, you can quickly uncover the viral content that's already on fire and effortlessly share it with your own social tribes for insane exposure. And none of the usual backbreaking work. All this for our launch special one-time fee, no monthly charges. Listen, it's simple. If you want to make more money online, you need an audience. And to get an audience, you need to stand out. And to stand out from the fierce competition, you need to dominate news feeds with awesome content that people already want and love, becoming their daily fix of news, entertainment, gossip, and information. With Viral Traffic Builder, you can quickly use other people's proven content to build a huge following of people who you can promote your paid offers to whenever you need cash. Simply log into your Viral Traffic Builder dashboard from any device, including your phone and tablet, and start cranking out viral traffic getting posts in minutes. Once you get started, we guarantee you'll be shocked at just how much viral traffic and money a few quality posts on your social media can stuff in your pocket each day. And the really good news? There's no monthly fee, no contracts, no BS. And on top of all that, you're fully covered by our 30 days viral traffic domination guarantee. I'm truly convinced that you'll love how easy it is to use Viral Traffic Builder, getting you more buyers' traffic, leads, and sales. And if you don't agree, then you pay nothing. So, lock in this incredibly low introductory price for Viral Traffic Builder available only during this launch period. Remember, the price is going up soon, so click the button below and let's get started. This exclusive launch time discount is only available for the next few hours.
Alright, how's it going everyone? Abid Vedi here. Now in this demonstration video, I'm going to show you how Viral Traffic Builder works. Now, Rashwin and his team have been working on this for, I would say, almost 8 months. Like, we've been working and building this out, testing it out. We've been using it on a lot of campaigns Rashwin and his team works. And some of the results have been, I would say, off the chart. Like the kind of results that we have had using this app, I personally have never received using just viral content, using somebody else's content on my fan pages. I've got some screenshots. I'm going to show you a quick demonstration, a quick video walkthrough of all the pages and of all the results we have received by using Viral Traffic Builder. But I've got a quick screenshot of a couple of things. Now, this is something Rashwin just sent me, and you can see like the post reach is massive, and we're getting lots of likes every single day. The engagement have increased, the video views have increased, and surprisingly, this page, we have never run any ads on it. This is all from viral content that we've been publishing, and same with the Tumblr, about like 157,000 followers. And this page has been live, and we've been posting content for about like 3 months now. A little over 3 months actually, but 150,000 people on a Tumblr page, and you can actually drive traffic from here to your offer pages to build your list and get more out of these followers. And same with Twitter, like you can see we're doing like 8 or 9 tweets every day, and about like 2,500 tweet impressions every single day. That's 14,000 followers on a brand new Twitter account, all using somebody else's content. And that's essentially what Viral Traffic Builder does. It takes the viral content content that's already been shared, content that's already getting, you know, likes and shares, and people are clicking on those links, and let you publish them on your own social media properties, on your Facebook fan pages, Facebook profile for personal branding, on Tumblr profiles, on your Twitter, and start using somebody else's content to get more traffic, get more followers, and all that stuff. So pretty cool application. And best part, thing that I absolutely love is the automation. Now this is the dashboard when you log in, and the first thing you see is the automation. We build it to be like super simple. We want it to be, you know, technical free. You don't have to spend hours just to understand the system. So once you log in, you see the automation page, but the first thing you have to do is go into authorization and connect your accounts. So you can connect your Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr account. I've got a couple of those connected here. So I'm going to head over to dashboard and show you how automation works. So what automation essentially does, it lets you publish a certain amount of posts based on a specific topic, keyword, or a niche from a specific source on your Facebook, Tumblr, or Twitter account. So let's give this campaign name. Let's try test campaign. I'm really bad at picking up niches and everything. My team haven't done it in years. But anyway, so this is the test campaign for automation. I can select from news, images, videos, or from web. So I'm going to select news. I want to publish news categories. And the next thing I'm going to do is I can pick from all these news sources that we have. Now I can choose either one or all of them, right? Same goes for images when I post images. So I can create multiple campaigns, right? I can create a campaign that only posts, you know, one news article every day, and a campaign that publishes 5 images every day, you know, and then I can mix with videos, like 2 videos every day. So I have like 7-8 different kind of trending viral traffic building content being published on my social properties every single day, all on autopilot. I'm doing nothing, and this helps build engagement easily. All right, so let's try news. I'm going to select all over here. I'm going to give it a keyword. Let's say weight loss. That's one of my favorite niches. Maximum post. Now this essentially means how many posts this campaign will create in total. So if I say let's say 100, which is the maximum for a campaign, and then I want to post daily, and I want to post 2 news articles daily. So what it'll do it for 50 days. It'll publish 2 news articles, which is a total of 100 posts, right? And then you can create a new campaign. Now I can publish it on my Facebook personal profile, or I can select all the pages that we have connected, right? Same for Tumblr as well. I can publish on my Tumblr. Same for my Twitter. I can do that. And once I click on save, I can scroll down. I can see all the campaigns that I've created, all the settings and everything. And what it'll do is just keep on posting 2 news articles every day for 50 days, which is 100 posts, all on automation. And all these news articles are the ones that are already being shared, not just random news articles from any of these sources, but the news articles that are actually getting traffic, articles that are getting, you know, likes and shares and everything, right? So this is automation. This is completely hands-free. Now, what if you want to actually choose what kind of product, what kind of news articles, what kind of images, videos, or what kind of posts you want to create? For that, we have something called create new post option. All right, so when you click on create new post option, this is where you can actually select what kind of content you can publish. So let's try images this time, and I'm going to select all, and I'm going to try weight loss again. Let's try the news article actually, because it's going to get more content. So I want to see all the trending news articles around the weight loss keyword. So I'm going to click on search, and it'll fetch me all the articles that are actually trending. I actually read about Kate Bates' weight loss thingy on Snapchat today in the morning. So it's trending. It's right over here. I can preview it. If I click on preview, I can see the source website and read the article if I want to be, you know, if I want to do quality check on it. And then I can schedule it or post it now. So if I want to schedule it, I'm going to click on schedule it. And right here, I can edit this post as I like. So I can change the title of this post. I can change this image. I can add a different image. I can change the URL. So, you know, when somebody clicks on it on Facebook or Tumblr or Twitter, they're taken to my own page, right? I can change the this content right over here. I can schedule it or even select to post it right now, right? I can change the date and time and everything. And that's about it. The time that you see here is your own server time. So that's pretty convenient as well. So you can do that as well. You can select the kind of content that you want, if you want to curate it manually, if you want to do a higher quality check on everything. And then we also have something called build post, which is something to help you build your own custom post, which is something I personally recommend, that you go ahead and create a couple of personal posts on all your pages once a while, so people know that there are real people actually managing the fan pages or the profile or the Tumblr or Twitter, right? They definitely get a lot of engagement, especially when you want to share a specific offer that you want to promote, especially when you want to do something for your own personal branding, right? Now, if you click on the post over here, you can see all live posts that have been published, and the posts that are scheduled to go live. And that's pretty much it. That's how Viral Traffic Builder works. Super easy to use, very powerful, and the best part, it's completely hands-free. And it's very easy to set up. Once you're up and running, you will have fan pages, Twitter accounts, and Tumblr accounts where you will be publishing genuinely good content that is already being shared and engaged by a lot of people, content that will not get your accounts in trouble, content that will get you traffic, build you following, and something that you can leverage going forward and start building a following, start selling your own services, sharing your affiliate links, and all that sort of stuff. You can start actually making money using all this social media profiles and pages that you will create and start publishing good content on. So again, we've been getting amazing results. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how we have been using Viral Traffic Builder essentially, and I'll show you all the amazing pages, all the likes and shares and everything we have received on the test pages that we've been using Viral Traffic Builder on, and show you how much you can actually do with viral traffic. So yeah, this is a quick walkthrough. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.